Hi, I'm Franco Rotoli from the SOLIDWORKS training team. Today, I'll be going over a tool called SOLIDWORKS Rx. You can use SOLIDWORKS Rx to identify, troubleshoot, and report issues that you may be having with your SOLIDWORKS software or your computer. You can also benchmark your PC to see how it compares to other users. Let's get started. You can access SOLIDWORKS Rx from the Windows Start menu by searching for Rx, or from within SOLIDWORKS on the SOLIDWORKS Resources tab in the task pane. SOLIDWORKS Rx has 6 utilities listed across the top as tabs, as well as on the home page as links. Also on the home page, you can start SOLIDWORKS in 2 different safe modes with the 2 links in the bottom section. To bypass your video card, launch SOLIDWORKS in Software OpenGL mode. You can also bypass any custom settings and temporarily return SOLIDWORKS to its out-of-the-box settings. Many times, when you call technical support, these are 2 of the first steps in troubleshooting an issue. The Diagnostics utility scans your computer and reports back a variety of information that's helpful to keep everything running smoothly. If you get any diagnostic test errors, make sure to correct those before trying anything else. Green check marks and information symbols are what you want to see across the board. One of the more important sections here is the video card and driver section. If you don't have a green check here, click the link and make sure you have the correct driver. SOLIDWORKS tests and verifies all the drivers on this list, so these are the ones you want to have installed. The System Maintenance tab allows you to check and empty backup and temporary directories. Sometimes these can get rather full and cause some system lag. Be sure you're aware of each of these folders and keep them clean. Clicking the Start Maintenance button will empty all the checked folders with one click. The Problem Capture tab is where many tech support engineers will guide you if you have a repeatable problem. This utility will gather some system information, Windows and SOLIDWORKS log files, and a variety of other files that our support engineers can use to really dig down and see what's causing the issue. You can even capture the issue by clicking the Record Video button. It'll record the SOLIDWORKS screen and you can demonstrate what's going on. Once you're done, fill out a description of the problem and package the files. This bundles everything up in a zip file that you can send along to tech support. The Reliability tab shows a daily record of when SOLIDWORKS has been closed on your computer. Blue dots indicate a normal shutdown. Orange and red dots indicate SOLIDWORKS was forced closed by the user or system. Clicking on an individual event will show the Windows event log and, if SOLIDWORKS shut down unexpectedly, a call stack. Again, this is used by tech support to see exactly what's going on in the code at the time of the shutdown. The Files and Logs tab shows an organized view of the zip file created with the Problem Capture tab. And finally, the Benchmark tab. This will run a SOLIDWORKS benchmark and give your computer a score in several different categories. If you're a simulation user, it can benchmark that as well. The lower the score, the better. Graphics tests your graphics card and drivers. Processor scores your main CPU, and I/O assesses the speed at which SOLIDWORKS can access data from your hard drive, which can impact things like opening, saving, and rebuilding. You can also share your score and see how other people's computers scored by using these links. The only user identifiable data sent to this site is your computer name. You can use this data to brag to your friends or to justify a new system. Thanks for watching. If you found this content helpful, click the link in the description below to access more great SOLIDWORKS content.